Hello everyone, we are the third reporters and today we are going to discuss about competencies related to specific job functions. So the competencies related to specific job functions are the skills, knowledge, and abilities required to effectively perform duties in particular area or work. In the public sector, these competencies help ensure that employees can deliver public services efficiently and responsibly. In short, competencies related to specific job functions are important skills and knowledge needed to perform specific public sector roles effectively and responsibly. For example, in the public sector, finance staff need competencies in budgeting, auditing, and financial management. So here are the examples of competencies related to specific job functions.
Examples by jobs function. Number 1, finance. Employees in finance, rules management government, funds and ensure transparency and accountability. Key competencies include financial analysis and budgeting, knowledge of public financial management laws, accuracy and attention to detail, ethical decision making.
Human resources. Human resources professional handle recruitment, employee relations, and training for public servants. Key components include recruitment and selections, procedure, performance management, knowledge of labor laws and civil service role, communications and conflict resolution skills.
Administration staff in government ensure the efficient functioning of offices and the effective delivery of services to citizens. These roles involves range of functions including administrative support, resource management, and policy implementation. Key functions of operation administrative staff. Number one, administrative services, spread providing services related to personal information, records, correspondence, buildings, furniture, supplies, equipment, and social security. Number two, seek policy development and implementation, formulating policies and guidelines for administrative services and material resource management. Number three, strategic and operational planning, engaging strategic operational planning, program development, and policy formulation. Number four, ICT support, utilizing information and communication technology to improve process efficiencies and services delivery in education governance. Number five, disaster risk reduction and management, planning, implementing, and coordinating activities related to disaster risk reduction and management, education in emergencies, and climate change adaptation. Number six, learner support services, providing services that support the holistic development of learners, including health, character formation, and sports programs. So these functions collectively ensure that government offices operate efficiently and effectively, delivering essential services to the public.
Conclusion. Competency related to specific job function are essential in ensuring the efficiency and professionalism of public sector employers. Whether in finance, human resources, or operation, these competence equip workers with the necessary skill and knowledge to perform their duties effectively. By strengthening these competence, government organization can promote accountability, improve service delivery, and foster continuous professional growth among public servants. The job-related competencies are important for public employers because they help improve skill, efficiency, and professionalism. Strengthening this competence promotes accountability, better service, and continuous professional growth in government work.